Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating air pollution meter system. So in this project, we are using a Arduino Uno board and we interface the three different sensors: MQ2 as a smoke sensor and LPG sensor, as well as LM35 for temperature monitoring system. So by monitoring these three parameters, we are displaying the data of the sensors on the 16:2 LCD, as well as we will provide you the buzzer through for audible alerts. And we are using esp8266 Wi-Fi module to send this sensors data to the ThinkSpeak app using this module. So we interface the sensors at A0, A1, A2 respectively temperature, smoke and LPG. And coming to this ESP8266 interface to the 8 and 9 pin and LCD interface to the 2 to 7 pins. Okay, and here buzzer interface to the 13th pin of this Arduino board. So and this board is like breadboard kind of thing in order to provide the 5 volts parallelly to different sensors and modules, because in Arduino Uno board we get only 5 volts at one section. So we will parallelly give the supply to these modules and the sensors. So before switching on the kit, we need to do one important step. So we need to enable the hotspot in any phone. So this should be very important step: A B C D E F G H I, that is A to I, without say space and no capital letters, all the small letters. And the password should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 characters and 9 numbers, the name and the password. So on the hotspot, along with that enable the data also. So after that, switch on the supply. So after switching on the kit, you can see the welcome message on the LCD and the buzzer will beep 2 times. And from now onwards, the sensors data will be displayed on the LCD, parallelly 3 sensors data. So you can see in your phone also like ESP is connected. So for every 10 to 15 seconds of duration, this Arduino will send the data to ThinkSpeak, because ThinkSpeak need at rate of 15 seconds duration only it can access the data, and accept the data will display the on ThinkSpeak app, in the browser. So from the given credentials, just log into ThinkSpeak and you can see the data of these sensors like smoke, LPG and temperature, right? So now you get the live data. So just now see, so now smoke is 47 ppm and temperature, so when you place the cursor on particular dot you can see that. So now the time is, that is June 12th, 12:46, as you can see the time same. So it will be uploaded continuously. So when I am giving the abnormal input to this, just by increase the temperature, so right, temperature got increased, so you will get the temperature alert buzzer. So till temperature is cooled down to 52 degrees below, because we set the temperature level of 52. Okay, so as well as coming to the LPG, so you will get the smoke. Yeah, this is a smoke sensor and this is the LPG. So the smoke sensor will accept for the LPG also. So you can see that. Yeah, LPG alert is there. So for smoke sensor, you need to give the smoke sensor input. As you can see, the data rising in the particular sensors. Okay, thank you for watching demo.